art vlogs. So since this is the first video, I owe you some introduction. So on this channel, I'm going to make some art videos and art vlogs and talking about my art style. So I'm more drawn towards natural phenomena like the Milky Way or Northern Lights, the universe, and greenery, trees, nature, mountains. So my art is going to be based around more of that. So let's get started with the first artwork. So today I'm going to be creating this starry night and mountain landscape painting. So I'm going to use Monte Acrylic Colors. This is a set of 24 colors and they look really amazing. I have some neon colors also, but I don't know if I'm going to use those in this video. Then I have a small canvas, some brushes and a palette. And now let's get started. I started off with squeezing some paints for the base. I'm using the medium and darker tones of blue and a bright pink color. I'm using Monte colors for the first time and they are absolutely amazing. The texture is quite smooth and the pigmentation is bang on. I'm using this lamp black color to add some depth to the sky. Some dark blue for blending. Monastral green for some glow in the sky. I mixed some white, black and blue for the base of the mountain. I felt like changing the sky colors, so I'm adding some cerulean blue. Some medium tones of blue and some more green glow. Then I blended some purple with the black to make the sky more colorful. I felt like changing the shape of the mountain to make it look more realistic. Some lavender tones for the mountains in the foreground. Here I am giving some rim light on the mountains. Titanium white for the best parts. I just love giving highlights to any artwork. This is one of the most satisfying parts of any painting process.
Felt like making the sky more blue and purple. I always go with the process and keep making changes as and when I feel to do so. Now let's add those shining stars. And a fine crescent moon. So now I'm making some coniferous trees which are usually found in these areas. मतलब जहाँ पे snow mountains होते हैं वहाँ पे ऐसे ही trees होते हैं. Wow, now I feel it's completely looking like a Himalayan or a Canadian landscape. And finally, it's ready.
So starlings, that's it for today's video. This is the end result. I'm actually quite happy with it. I created art 2-3 years later and it was such a rejuvenating experience, and I'm going to do more of it on this channel. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.